What's up, gorgeous people? In this video, I have a mystery box from a company called HBC Organics. Now, if you're not familiar with HBC Organics, this is a company that was created by one woman. Her name is Jess, and I follow her on TikTok. I think she's absolutely fabulous. She goes live a lot, making a lot of the products that she puts in these boxes, which I think is really cool. So everything's 100% handmade by her, or she has her recipes sourced out to companies that have the equipment to make the things that she's unable to make at her house. She makes everything at her home. So she is a fast growing company, guys, and she is really awesome. So if you guys don't follow her on TikTok, I will link her TikTok in the description box below because I think she's awesome. I watch her all the time, and she just really kind of motivates you to, get yourself going and do something that you always wanted to do, because this is her dream and she's making it happen. So the main things that she's known for is her handmade soaps. I've not tried her soaps yet. I bought a couple of the whipped body butters and I thought they were really good. So I decided to get this mystery box because I really wasn't sure if I would be able to switch to a bar soap. I don't know if that's going to be my thing or not, but we'll have to see. I know that there's going to be some bar soaps in this mystery box because she said there was going to be. I really don't know what else is going to be in here because I didn't pay attention. So without further ado, woo! Here it is. Let's open it up. All right. Ooh, wow. Okay, so the one thing I did order though, so I will go over that first, but the rest of it is the mystery box. So I ordered this volumizing shampoo from her, not realizing that I didn't put the conditioner in my cart. So I placed another order so that I can go ahead and get this conditioner, and that's when I went ahead and grabbed this mystery box too, because she had a special deal on those. I think she's sold out of them right now, but I am just really curious if this shampoo and conditioner is going to work well with African American style hair. So that's why I went ahead and grabbed it. It has a lot of the things that are going to be really good for my hair and nourishing for my hair. So let's see. This is one of the things that she does not make at her home, but this is her recipe. Okay. So I'm pretty sure all the products I have in here are going to be things that she makes in her home. So this is all going to be the mystery box, guys. So I have this Citrine Awakening Whipped Body Butter. Let me show that to you. There it is. And we'll go ahead and give this a smell. Oh, wow. I didn't expect it to smell that good. Wow. Oh, I love this, you guys. So a lot of times when I get her body butters, they do have a little bit of oil sitting on top of them. Guys, if you order from her and you that happens, just go ahead and just mix it up. You mix it up, it's fine. It's just something that happens in transit. But wow, does this smell really good. Wow, I did not expect that to smell as lovely as it does. Okay. This is the HBC Organics Winter Wonderland Whipped Body Butter. So this is a whipped body butter that is the Winter Wonderland. And this is obviously the big size. I think this size here is her trial size. So this is the smaller one. And then this here is, I think, the large size because this is pretty big. Let's give this a smell. Ooh, that is refreshing. That's really refreshing, guys. Now see, this one does not have the oil sitting on top. So this one's good to go. Oh, wow. These smell great. Wow, this is really cool. Okay. Oh, I did see her make these. This is the Champagne Kisses. I wonder if this is the medium one. This must be the trial size. This must be the medium, and that must be the large. But this is the Champagne Kisses Whipped Body Butter. And I did see her make this on her channel. This was something that she made at the beginning of the year. Ooh. Ooh. I didn't expect to like this one either. I keep smelling. I'm not showing you guys nothing. That's funny. But wow. Guys, this smells amazing. So I just put a little bit on my finger because I'm going to go ahead and try this one because this is the last of the body butters. So, oh, guys, wow, this stuff smells really good. Okay, wow. So here it is on my hands, guys. And let's see what else she has in here. So this right here is probably the soaps, I'm guessing. Yeah, they are the soaps. You can't see, but they are. So these are just soap samples. Like the bars of soap that she sells are really big and thick, and you get a lot of soap, and everybody says they last a really long time. This one is the Mighty Volcano Cold Press Soap. So here it is. Let me spin it down like this so you guys can see the top of it. So these are the soap ends, because when she cuts her soap on her channel, it has like a few, there's leftovers from the block on the sides. So instead of throwing that away, what she does is she normally puts them into mystery soap samples to give people a chance to try her soaps without having to buy a full bar, you know, which I think is really cool. So you can get like a mystery pack of little soap ends. I'm not really sure. Dry out in between uses. Okay, this just tells you how to take care of it. I'm really not sure what this soap is good for. I will have to look it up on her website. I'm sure she has that information on there. So then I have this Ling Lang hibiscus soap. So here's this one here. And there's what the top of it looks like. They all smell really good, you guys. And this one here, this soap here is her most popular soap. This is really what, I mean, she's been in business for a while. It's not like she hasn't been in business for a while, but this soap here really just threw her over the top to like making the kind of money that she was hoping to make and wanting to make. This soap here really did that for her. And this is called the Magic Man Beer Soap. So I gotta say, you guys, I did not know that I would like the smell of this stuff. But this smells really, really good. I mean, it smells really, really good. I'm surprised. So I do want to try this. She says it's also good for women too if you want to use it. But she has another soap bar that's called the Goddess Divine that I would really like to try. She said it's very similar to this one, but it's geared more towards women. So, I mean, but women can use this. This smells really good, you guys. Wow. And it has all great reviews, and she sold a ton of them. So the last thing that's in here is a piece of jewelry. Ooh, tiger's eye. So I have a tiger's eye bracelet. Wow, how pretty is this, you guys? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. What good quality. Look at this, you guys. This is pretty. Okay, this is really pretty. I'm not really sure what the tiger's eye is good for as far as like stones go and that kind of stuff, but this is really pretty. Wow. Okay. This mystery box is only 20 bucks. Now, I don't think she has any left, and I don't know when she's going to do this again, but I think that she just wanted to put mystery boxes together of things that maybe weren't selling very well, or things that she wanted to push, or things that she just wanted people to try kind of situation. So she gave you a really good deal on those, because honestly, she's got bars of soap that cost 20 bucks on her website. So $20 for all of this stuff is a really great deal. So again, this was from HBC Organics, and I think Jess is fabulous. If you guys watch her on TikTok, you'll know exactly what I mean. I think she's really great, and I think that you guys would like her too. So I will have her TikTok linked in the description box below in case you guys want to check her out. I'll also link her website in the description box below so you guys can check it out and see if you want to try any of these products. 100% natural, and she makes them all herself. Only her, nobody else. She's the only person making this stuff, and I think that is really awesome because she is kicking butt with her business, and that is something that is really awesome to see. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! Now, if you guys are not familiar with HBC Organics, it is a company that, or I should say they or she. It's like really one woman. Try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? In this video, I have a, nope. What's up, gorgeous people? In this video, I have, why does that feel so weird?